Good day, friends. Florida Explorer 777 here with y'all again today for another exciting video here in the ghost town of Croom at the Ridge Manor Trailhead. I hope that all y'all are having a blessed day today, friends. Let's go ahead and check this out. So today I've just been kind of wandering around off the trails because it's nice, because as you can see the undergrowth is not as dense as it normally is when I'm out here. So it looks like some more roofing here. We've got some railroad pylons. Okay, nothing much too interesting right here, friends. Let's take a walk right over here. There's some more there. We have this interesting little cart here. And I'm not really sure exactly what this thing is. Looks like it would have been able to go on a rail line, but I doubt it. I doubt it because it's not cupped on one side here. But you can see that there's metal down there on the bottom. So it was some sort of platform cart or something like that, I guess. Not exactly sure. And then if we come on over here a little bit further this way, friends, I'll tell you what, friends, there's been lots of stuff moving around out here today. And you can see we've got another one right here. Oh, I see. Well, this one shows that the wheels are coming down through the bottom. Okay. I don't know. Let's work our way around to the front of this thing here. Looks like we've got some critters that might have made this their home. That's weird looking at that tree like that. Anyhow. So if any of y'all might have an idea of what this might have been, or you know, if it moved along the bottom, and you know, this was like a siphon for food for livestock or something like that, but that's I'm really not sure what this is. Okay, there we go, there we go. Well, I would assume that maybe those carts were used in correlation with this area right here. This is obviously once was used for grazing because it's all open. There'd be no other reason why there wouldn't be trees here. Let's see if we might be able to find anything else real quick here, friends. there's one more look at that one. All right, friends. Well, I'll tell you what. I'm glad that the trees and the bushes hid those two things from the State Forestry Service when they came out here to tear everything out. But anyhow, friends, to wrap things up, I'm here in the ghost town of Croom at the Ridge Manor Trailhead off of Croom Road in North Brooksville. I hope that all y'all enjoyed the video today, friends. If you liked it, smash that thumbs up button for me. Thank you so much, friends. Have a blessed day. Praise Jesus.